Today we have to celebrate Swachhta Awareness Day. Swachhta Awareness Day we are celebrating under the expedition launched by Prime Minister Modi to get the dream of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi has wished that our India should be free from the dirtiness. He told that we have got the independence, but we could not get free from the poverty and the dirtiness that is in our country. So, to fulfill this dream of Mahatma Gandhi, the earlier government as well as the present government has tried to remove this povertiness and dirtiness in our country, and to get this target, Mr. Modi, who is the Prime Minister of India, 3 years ago has launched Swachhta Pakhwara. This year, from 1st September to 15th September, under this expedition, the Swachhta Pakhwara will be celebrated by all over the India by the Indians. In this expedition, it is suggested that the future of the India is in the school. So, the school should be clean. The environment of the school should be healthy. The students and the teachers should be healthy. Then we can get the target of the Swachhta Abhiyan. So, it is suggested that to sensitize the students for the importance of the cleanliness and sanitation. Reason is that the students decides 6 to 7 hours in the school, and there is more chances that if the environment of the school will not be healthy, they may get infected by the various types of diseases. In the present time, the peoples of the world is suffering from one of the most dreadful pandemic disease, that is corona. Coronavirus resides in the air, infect by a various mode to the healthy person. A lot of people die by these dreadful diseases in the world. So, it is suggested that, first of all, personal hygiene should be maintained by the students, teachers, and all the peoples of the, not only the country, of the world, that the eradication of the diseases, eradication of the pathogen which causes the diseases, it should be clearly wiped out. So our environment should be healthy. There should be no contamination agent in the environment. Agent may be biotic or abiotic, right? Abiotic factors boost the generation of the biotic factor which causes the diseases. So environment should be healthy. You well know about some dreadful diseases like the malaria, typhoid, cholera, polio, right? Some of the diseases, pathogen resides in the soil, some resides in the water, few in the air. So what? Our environment should be neat and clean, right? So you will have heard about how to prevent the spreading of corona. It is suggested that what? Wear the mask, right? Maintain the distance of at least 6 feet, right? That the disease, the pathogen cannot infect the other person. So by following some steps, we can minimize the spreading of the pathogen. We can prevent the spreading of the pathogen which causes the dreadful diseases. So personal hygiene is the major factor. By adopting these way, we can maintain the social hygiene also, right? Now are coming some other steps. By following that, we can minimize the damaging of the environment. You know that the government has launched the no outside discharging of the excreta should be. So government had given some economical aid to the people to build a toilet in more house, that the people should not release the excreta in the open area because it pollutes the environment, right? So purpose is that the environment should be healthy, right? So by this way, it is trying to minimize the damage of the environment to make the environment healthy, right? Now there is also some rules. By following that, we can minimize the chances of infection, right? So hygienic use of toilets, right? When the person going to use the toilets, some rules should be followed, right? When one person go to the toilet, there is wipe out the excreta, flush out the excretory material, use the proper distance of urination in the urinal. Otherwise, the droplet of the urine may comes on your clothes and may infection takes place. Wash your hand after coming out from the toilets with the soap, right? So these are the way by which the toilet hygiene can be maintained, right? The infection from which that may occur from the toilets, that can be minimized, right? In the same way, the brushing technique, right? The brushing of teeth. Some diseases also spread in our body due to not properly brushing of the teeth age, right? So brushing should be done properly. and the peoples in generally get affected by the not proper brushing of the teeth by some UTI disease, right? Gastrointestinal diseases, right? GTI diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, right? So, if brushing will not done properly, right, you may suffer from the toothache, right, pain in the jaw, and germ may go into the intestine. Right? So, due to this, the infection may occur in your body and your health will suffer. So, by maintaining the personal hygiene, we can also maintain the social hygiene, economical hygiene, right? If not be fell ill, right, then we can save the money, right? So in this way, we are also going to maintain the economical hygiene. So by adopting the Swachhta Abhiyan, right, through the celebrating Swachhta Pakhwara from 1st of September to 15th September, through the various way, by delivering their speech, or by painting, by the poster, or by arranging so many activities, we should sensitize the people